Save time and money by automating your paint or chemical mixing, deburring, cleaning, and polishing tasks with Rotary Tumblers from C&M Topline.
Here at Ocular Technology, we make intraocular lenses and R&D products. In the intraocular industry, accuracy is very important, and even though we use diamond tooling on all of our lenses, we still sometimes need to take out the microscopic lathe marks. And these C&M Topline machines give us a crystal clear finish.
Ideal for precision applications such as medical device, intraocular lenses, and millimeter-sized parts, our tumblers can be run wet or dry, are simple to use, easy to maintain, and built to last for decades of trouble-free use. Our tumbling barrels are available in a variety of sizes and are specifically designed for use with the C&M Topline rotary tumblers. Fine-tune your barrel rotations with 2-speed or variable speed operations and choose from many 2-bar and 3-bar tumbler configurations. The C&M Topline rotary tumblers are the gold standard for intraocular lens manufacturing facilities around the globe.
What we like most about the C&M tumblers is their simplicity and their accuracy. And we really like the ability to use not only their tumbling barrels, but also our own custom tumbling barrels.
Rotary Tumblers from C&M Topline, the most affordable and dependable American-made tumbling machines since 1972.